everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to change currency on Mobills application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open the Mobills application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well. From the main homepage of Mobills, tap on the More button appearing at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, tap on the Settings option at the bottom or at the top right-hand corner. Click on Preferences from the list. Select the currency option appearing at the top inside Preferences. Choose the currency you'd like to change to from the list, or you can also search for your currency you'd like to use and select the currency of your preference. So that is how you can easily choose or change your currency on Mobills application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.